Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever stopped to think about how you pay for things these days? Just this morning, I grabbed a coffee and paid for it with a tap of my phone. No cash, no fumbling for a credit card. It's so seamless, we barely even think about it. But this convenience is powered by an incredible world of technology, the world of digital money. And today, we're going to pull back the curtain. We'll explore the digital wallets in your pocket, the powerful apps on your phone, and most importantly, how to keep your hard-earned money safe and secure in this digital age. So, if you've ever wondered how it all works or how to protect yourself online, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is digital money? Simply put, it's money that only exists in electronic form. It's not physical bills or coins you can hold, but rather a digital record stored in a computer database. This includes everything from the balance in your online bank account to the funds in your PayPal and even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. The big shift happened with the rise of the internet and smartphones. Suddenly, we didn't need to go to a bank to manage our finances. We could do it from our couch. This convenience is the number one reason digital money has exploded in popularity. Why carry a bulky wallet when your phone can do it all? Now, let's talk about the key players that make this all possible. Digital wallets and payment apps. You probably use them every day. Think Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay. These are what we call mobile wallets. They securely store your credit and debit card information on your phone. When you go to pay, they use a technology called near-field communication, or NFC. It's that little symbol that looks like a sideways Wi-Fi signal. You just tap your phone near the reader and voila, payment complete. It's not just convenient, it's also incredibly secure. Instead of sending your actual card number, these wallets use a unique one-time code for each transaction, a process called tokenization. So, even if a hacker were to intercept the data, it would be completely useless to them. But it goes beyond just tapping to pay. Let's look at peer-to-peer or P2P payment apps. These are services like PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, and Zelle. They have completely changed how we exchange money with each other. Remember the old days of splitting a dinner bill, calculating who owes what, collecting cash, making change? It was a hassle. Now, you can just send your share to a friend in seconds with a few taps. These apps link directly to your bank account or debit card, making transfers instant or near instant. They've become so integrated into our social lives, with features like adding notes or emojis, that "I'll Venmo you" has become a common phrase. It's a perfect example of how fintech is not just changing banking, but our social interactions too. And then there are the all-in-one financial super apps. These are the next evolution. Think of apps like Revolut, Chime, or SoFi. They started as simple payment or banking apps, but have grown into comprehensive platforms where you can do almost everything. You can save, you can invest in stocks, you can buy cryptocurrency, you can get loans. You can even book travel. Their goal is to be the single financial hub for your entire life. They often offer better interest rates on savings or lower fees than traditional banks because they don't have the overhead of physical branches. This competition is great for us, the consumers, as it forces all financial institutions, new and old, to innovate and offer better products. It's a financial revolution happening right on our smartphones. Now, for the most important part of our conversation, cybersecurity. With all this convenience comes a new set of risks. Where there's money, there will always be people trying to take it. So, how do we protect our digital fortunes? It all starts with the basics, and the number one rule is password hygiene. I know, you've heard it a million times, but it's crucial. Don't use password 123 or your birthday. Create strong, unique passwords for each of your financial accounts. A great way to do this is by using a password manager. These tools generate and store complex passwords for you, so you only have to remember one master password. It's like having a digital Fort Knox for your login details. Next up is two-factor authentication, or 2FA. If you're not using it, you need to enable it right now. Seriously, pause this video and go do it. Two-factor authentication adds a second layer of security beyond just your password. After you enter your password, the app will ask for a second form of verification. This is usually a code sent to your phone via text message or a code generated by an authenticator or authate. This means that even if a hacker steals your password, they still can't get into your account without also having physical access to your phone. It is one of the single most effective ways to prevent unauthorized access to your accounts. We also need to be vigilant about phishing scams. These are fraudulent attempts, usually made through email, text messages, or phone calls, to trick you into revealing sensitive information. You might get an email that looks like it's from your bank, saying there is a problem with your account and you need to click a link to fix it. The link then takes you to a fake website that looks identical to your bank's real site, designed to steal your username and password. The golden rule is never click on suspicious links or download attachments from unknown senders. Your bank will never ask for your password or full account details over email. If you're ever unsure, don't click the link. Instead, go directly to the bank's website by typing the address into your browser yourself, or call them using the number on the back of your card. Another area to be cautious about is public Wi-Fi. We all love free Wi-Fi at cafes, airports, and hotels. But these networks are often unsecured, making them a playground for hackers. A skilled hacker on the same network can potentially intercept the data you're sending, including login credentials and financial information. This is called a man-in-the-middle attack. So, a simple rule of thumb: avoid doing any sensitive financial transactions on public Wi-Fi. Don't log into your bank account or make a purchase. If you absolutely have to, use a virtual private network or VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, creating a secure tunnel for your data that makes it unreadable to anyone trying to snoop on you. It's an essential tool for anyone who frequently uses public networks. Finally, always be monitoring your accounts. Most banking and payment apps offer real-time notifications for transactions. Turn these on. If a fraudulent charge is made, you'll know about it immediately and can take action. Regularly review your bank and credit card statements. Look for any charges you don't recognize, no matter how small. Scammers sometimes test a card with a tiny purchase of $1 or $2 before making a large one. If you spot anything suspicious, report it to your financial institution right away. Most have 24/7 fraud protection departments that can help you resolve the issue, lock your account, and issue you a new card. Your vigilance is your best line of defense. So, where is all this headed? The future of digital money is incredibly exciting. We're seeing the rise of biometrics, using your fingerprint or face to authorize payments, making them even more secure and seamless. Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, are also on the horizon, where governments themselves issue a digital version of their national currency. Imagine a digital dollar issued directly by the Federal Reserve. The lines between banking, payments, and investing will continue to blur, with super apps becoming even more powerful. But through all this innovation, the principles of security will remain the same. Staying informed, being cautious, and using the tools available to protect yourself will always be the key to safely navigating the digital financial world. That's a wrap for today. We've covered a lot, from how digital wallets work to the critical steps for protecting your money online. The world of fintech is moving fast, but by understanding the technology and being proactive about security, you can enjoy all the convenience it offers with peace of mind. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future deep dives. Have a question or a security tip of your own? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.